Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later, a collection of mistakes is what is called experience. If you believe you can, you probably can. If you believe you won't, you most assuredly won't. Belief is the ignition switch that gets you off the launching pad. Forget about the consequences of failure. Failure is only a temporary change in direction to set you straight for your next success. As long as we are persistent in our pursuit of our deepest destiny, we will continue to grow. We cannot choose the day or time when we will fully bloom. It happens in its own time. Don't dwell on what went wrong. Instead, focus on what to do next. Spend your energies on moving forward toward finding the answer. Expect the best, plan for the worst, and prepare to be surprised. You must learn from your past mistakes, but not lean on your past successes. Our limitations in success will be based, most often, on your own expectations for ourselves. What the mind dwells upon, the body acts upon. The reason most people never reach their goals is that they don't define them, learn about them, or even seriously consider them as believable or achievable. Winners can tell you where they are going, what they plan to do along the way, and who will be sharing the adventure with them. To establish true self-esteem, we must concentrate on our successes and forget about the failures and the negatives in our lives. Failure should be our teacher, not our undertaker. Failure is delay, not defeat. It is a temporary detour, not a dead end. Failure is something we can avoid only by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. It's not what you are that holds you back, it's what you think you are not. Where there is life, there is hope. Where there are hopes, there are dreams. Where there are vivid dreams repeated, they become goals. Goals become the action plans and game plans that winners dwell on in intricate detail, knowing that achievement is almost automatic when the goal becomes an inner commitment. The response to the challenges of life, purpose is the healing balm that enables each of us to face up to adversity and strife. When you make a mistake or get ridiculed or rejected, look at mistakes as learning experiences and ridicule as ignorance. Look at rejection as part of one performance, not as a turn down of the performer. Luck happens when opportunity encounters the prepared mind. You must consider the bottom line, but make it integrity before profits. Losers make promises they often break. Winners make commitments they always keep. A life lived with integrity, even if it lacks the trappings of fame and fortune, is a shining star in whose light others may follow in the years to come. No man or woman is an island. To exist just for yourself is meaningless. You can achieve the most satisfaction when you feel related to some greater purpose in life, something greater than yourself. Procrastination is the fear of success. People procrastinate because they are afraid of the success that they know will result if they move ahead now. Because success is heavy, carries a responsibility with it, it is much easier to procrastinate and live on the someday I'll philosophy. Get excited and enthusiastic about your own dream. This excitement is like a forest fire. You can smell it, taste it, and see it from a mile away. Life is not accountable to us. We are accountable to life. We have got to have a dream, if we are going to make a dream come true. Out of need springs desire, and out of desire springs the energy and the will to win. Life is a do-it-yourself project. Life is the movie you see through your own eyes. It makes little difference what's happening out there. It's how you take it that counts. Winners take time to relish their work, knowing that scaling the mountain is what makes the view from the top so exhilarating. Happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, earned, worn, or consumed. Happiness is the spiritual experience of living every minute with love, grace, and gratitude. The greatest gifts you can give your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. Love is a daily, mutual exchange of value. A smile is the light in your window that tells others that there is a caring, sharing person inside. Time is an equal opportunity employer. Each human being has exactly the same number of hours and minutes every day. Rich people can't buy more hours. Scientists can't invent new minutes. And you can't save time to spend it on another day. Even so, time is amazingly fair and forgiving. No matter how much time you've wasted in the past, you still have an entire tomorrow.